Welcome back. Garbage problem is a woe to the hotels and restaurants in Panji. CCP Mayor Tony Rodrigues informed that the contractor has stopped collecting garbage due to non-payment of fees by the State Urban Development Ministry.
Garbage is pulling up in every nook and corner of restaurants in Panji. Tony Rodrigues says that if proper dumping place is allotted to them, then they can collect the garbage and dispose it.
आता ड्युटी मिनिस्टर पळोवया कितें करता ताजो पेमेंट करूंक ना म्हणटा बंद जालें स्मूथली चलतालें काय बरें ताजो पेमेंट जावना म्हणटा बंद केला आमी आमकडे जागो खंय आहा आमकां जागोच दिवंक ना गव्हर्मेंटान आमकडे जागो ना म्हणून तरी आमी बंद केल्ले आमकां जागो दिवशा जाल्यार आमी कलेक्ट करता आमी आदी कलेक्ट करनासले.
CCP Corporator Surendra Furtado criticized the mismanagement of CCP in collecting garbage and also the Urban Development Department.
की सगळे आमचे म्युनिसिपल ट्रक हांगासर आमचे गराजेसन वयता आमचे डिझल यूज करता आनी आमचे स्टाफ यूज करता आनी तालिगांव गार्बेज घालता म्हणून ते टायम्स ऑफ इंडियाचेर आयल्ले जर तर आमचो ट्रक आनी आमचो स्टाफ आनी आमचे डिझल यूज करता जाल्यार आमी कित्याक 6,000 फारीक करूंक जाय कोणाक म्हाका कांय समजना कितें रॅकेट तें आनी सरकारान कांयच बरोवन धाडूंक ना की ते पयशे दितले म्हणून ना आमी रेजोल्युशन पास करूंक ना सरकाराक कित्याक आमी सांगिल्लें की अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्रीन पयशे कितें आहा ते डायरेक्ट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक दिवपाचे टू DMA दिवपाचे नाल्यार टू सुडा दिवपाचे म्हणून.
Our reporter in Panji, Yashwant Parab.
South Goa district authorities have recommended diversion of all Kankon-Karwa bound heavy traffic via Nuve Arle Junction. This was discussed in the traffic management meeting held on Wednesday.
So if that traffic is diverted, Kape Kankon going through the city, I think the 25 to 30% traffic jam will be reduced. In addition to that, wherever this Gailing to downwards traffic, they have suggested one way, traffic and municipality, which has been accepted. Further, it is suggested that at the junctions, various gadas, hand carts are blocking the traffic. That should be removed, for which the municipality agreed to provide the squad at the disposal of the traffic cell once in a week.
South Goa Collector GP Naik also informed that buses plying from Daoli route can ply from city and not from the old bus stand. He also informed that the district officials meeting will be held on January 28th to review the traffic situation and to follow up the recommendations made in the meeting.
Buses which are going to Daoli and Mandop and all, there is no need of going to the old bus stand now. They can directly go because they are passing through the city only. So all the passengers they can pick it up at Meghdut as well as electricity department, Auspicious Hospital, Holy Spirit. From bus stand they are coming, KTC bus stand.
Our reporter from Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
After lots of morchas, gheraos and protests, Madgaon municipality officials carried an encroachment drive in Madgaon city. Goods worth rupees 4,000 to 5,000 were seized.
Seized goods include vegetables and fruits. Savio Coutinho, the chairperson of Margao municipality, has now decided not to release the goods and distribute it to the needy ones.
Basically, we are continuing this drive and we also expect cooperation from the public as well. Because many a times our municipal inspectors have been complaining now that locals around come charging at our inspectors that they are taking actions against these small vendors. And if this sort of an attitude is there from the public around also, then it becomes a problem for our staff to take action.
Coutinho has also asked for the cooperation from the public.
Whoever is noticed conducting business on the footpaths, our inspectors have to act upon them.
Which are the items that are consisted
Today basically some fruits and fish amounting to value submitted is about 3,000 to 4,000. And I have given instructions to our inspectors not to release them, but instead give it to the old aged homes or the orphanage or even or the deaf and dumb school children. So that otherwise the moment we return, they do not feel that pinch.
Our reporter from Margao, Santhan Rodriguez.
Authorities get up late, and that too at the wrong time. The renovation of Government High School at Sada Mormugao has begun, although it has started after a long pending demand. It is during their academic year, thus becoming a nuisance to the school children and teachers.
Children of 3 classes squeezed into 1 class. The roof is removed. The building is full of sand and nails. Coincidentally, when our reporter was there on coverage, he saw one child had got hurt of nail. Children are getting hurt, a bad state of affairs, a pathetic and wrong timing to go for repairs.
एका क्लासीत 3 क्लास बसयले आणि आता एका क्लासीत 3 क्लासीची भुरगी शिकतात. ही आता ही सगळी जी आसा ही पळय ही 3 क्लासीची भुरगी एका क्लासीत. आणि कसं शिकवपाचें आमी? आणि ती भुरगीच ती त्या रेतीत सिमेंटात नाचतलीच. आमी जरी कितके तांकां सांगले तरी तर आत्ता हो पळय खेळ लागला एकट्या भुरग्याक. सांगून भुरगीक ऐकनात. आमी मोठी माणसं ऐकनात, ती भुरगी खंयची आयकतली? तांकां नांवच भुरगीं न्हय. तर म्हाका दिसता हॉलिडेजच जर जाय एप्रील मे जाल्यार अदीक बरें आसलें अशें म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता. आनी सगळ्या पेरेंट्सांची तशीच वीश आसा.
PTA chairperson Kishori Naik says that the renovation disturbs environment of school and concentrating is next to impossible.
एक्झाम हांगा आतां भुरग्यांची कितले प्रॉब्लेम जाता पळय हेज्या खातीर. आतां तुमी काम चालू दवरलें उपरांत आतां भुरग्यांचें सगळें लक्ष वयता भायर. तुमी हें काम चालू दवरलें भुरग्यांचें लक्ष वयता. तोड मोड केल्या उपरांत तुमचें हें जाता. ते भुरग्यांक कितें खेळ लागूंक शकता. आतां एक भुरग्याक खेळो लागलो ते आतां जबाबदार कोण घेता? हेड मास्तर घेतली काय हेड बाई घेतली? कोण घेतली काय कोण घेतली? पेरंट्सां हें करतली.
Our reporter from Sada, Surendra Madkekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.